Imagine waking up in a space that's perfectly tailored to your current needs. A home where maintenance is minimal, neighbors share your interests, and a vibrant community awaits you just outside your door. The idea of downsizing to a 55-plus community isn't about moving. It's about reinventing your lifestyle and embracing a new chapter that offers both freedom and a sense of belonging. Today, we're going to dive deep into the ins and outs of downsizing to a 55-plus community, exploring the many advantages and the potential challenges you might face whether you're considering this move for practical reasons or as an exciting opportunity for a fresh start. Understanding the pros and cons can help you make an informed decision. Downsizing can feel like shedding an extra layer of burden, both physically and emotionally. Many homeowners find that as life evolves, the space they once needed becomes more than they truly require. A 55-plus community is specifically designed for those who are ready to enjoy a lifestyle that prioritizes comfort, convenience, and social connection. With a smaller living space and an array of built-in amenities, these communities can offer a dramatic shift from the responsibilities and upkeep of a large family home. One of the key draws of these communities is the promise of low-maintenance living. Imagine no longer worrying about mowing a large lawn, repairing a leaky roof, or spending hours on home upkeep. Instead, you can focus on activities you love, whether that's spending time with friends, pursuing hobby, or simply relaxing in a stress-free environment. The pros of downsizing to a 55-plus community. 1. Lower maintenance and reduced responsibilities. One of the most significant benefits of downsizing is the reduction of maintenance responsibilities. In a smaller home, the cleaning, repairs, and landscaping are often taken care of by community or require less personal time. This allows you to reclaim time and energy that you can use for leisure, travel, or spending quality time with friends and family. 2. Built-in amenities and services. Many 55-plus communities are designed with a host of amenities that cater to an active, engaged lifestyle. These can include fitness centers, swimming pools, and clubhouses, even organized activities such as yoga classes, arts and crafts sessions, or group outings. Imagine having access to these facilities without a need to leave your neighborhood. It's like a resort-style living right at your doorstep. 3. Enhanced social opportunities. Living among peers who share similar life experiences and interests can foster meaningful connections and lifelong friendships, whether you're attending community events or simply chatting with your neighbors over a cup of coffee. The social environment in a 55-plus community can help combat loneliness and promote a sense of belonging. This community-centric lifestyle is particularly valuable as you transition into retirement or a new phase of life. 4. Increased safety and security. Many 55-plus communities offer a secure living environment with gated entries, on-site security, and a closely knit neighborhood watch system. This heightened sense of safety can provide peace of mind, especially for those who might have concerns about living alone or in less secure environments. Knowing that help is nearby and that the community looks out for one another is a major comfort. 5. Financial benefits and cost efficiency. Downsizing often leads to reduced utility bills, lower property taxes, and overall decreased living expenses. In many cases, the cost of maintenance a larger home can be prohibitive as you transition into retirement. By moving to a smaller, more efficient space, you may find that your monthly expenses become more manageable, allowing you to allocate funds toward experience, travel, or simply enjoying a more comfortable retirement. 6. A lifestyle tailored to all your needs. A 55+ community is not just about a place to live, it's about a lifestyle. Many of these communities are strategically located near shopping centers, healthcare facilities, and recreational areas. This convenience means that daily errands and medical appointments are within reach, making it easier to maintain your independence and enjoy your day-to-day activities without the stress of long commutes. 7. Opportunity for a fresh start. Leaving behind a long-time family home can be an emotional journey, but it also offers the opportunity to start anew. Downsizing allows you to curate your living environment to reflect your current tastes and needs, without being weighted down by decades of accumulated belongings. The fresh start can be invigorating and providing you with a sense of liberation and the chance to redefine your personal space. The cons of downsizing to a 55+ community. While the benefits are appealing, it's also important to consider some of the challenges that may come with downsizing a 55+ community. 1. Limited space for belongings. One of the biggest challenges in downsizing is parting with items that have been part of your life for years. The transition from large family home to a smaller space means that you'll have to carefully evaluate what you truly need and what you can let go. This process can be emotionally taxing, especially when those belongings carry sentimental value. It requires not only physical effort, but also a willingness to make difficult decisions about what to keep. 2. Emotional attachment and letting go. Moving out of the family home, which is often laden with memories, can be an emotional experience. There is a strong attachment to the home where you shared countless moments with loved ones. Letting go of that space can feel like closing a chapter of your life, and for some, this emotional aspect may be one of the most challenging parts of downsizing. 3. Community restrictions and rules. 55+ communities often have strict rules and guidelines that can limit how you personalize your space or conduct your daily life. While these regulations are in place to ensure a harmonious living environment, they might feel restrictive if you're used to complete freedom in your own home. For limitations on exterior modifications to rules about hosting gatherings, these guidelines are something you'll need to adjust to, which might not be ideal for everyone. 4. Potential for isolation or limited diversity. While the social opportunities in a 55+ community can be a major benefit, they can also sometimes lead to a lack of diversity. The population in these communities is generally homogeneous in age and lifestyle, which might not appeal to those who thrive in a mix of cultures and experiences. Additionally, if you have family members or close friends who are younger, the physical distance or lifestyle differences could create feelings of isolation from your broader social circles. 5. Higher costs for some amenities. Although downsizing can lead to a lower overall maintenance cost, the monthly fees associated with living in a 55+ community can sometimes be significant. These fees often cover a range of services and amenities, but they add to your monthly budget. For some, the convenience of these services may come at a premium, which can be a drawback if you're trying to balance a tight retirement budget. 6. Adjustment to different pace of life. Downsizing to a 55+ community means embracing a new pace of life. For those who have been accustomed to busy households filled with family activity, the quieter environment might feel is isolating or too subdued. It's important to consider whether the community's lifestyle aligns with your personal energy or social needs. Transitioning to this new pace may require a period of adjustments and experimentation with new hobbies or social engagements. Making the decision, balancing the pros and cons. Deciding whether to downsize to a 55-plus community is a highly personal decision that requires a careful evaluation of both the benefits and the potential drawbacks. Here are some key points to consider as you weigh your options. Reflect on your priorities. What are your long-term goals, and what kind of lifestyle do you envision for your retirement years? If low maintenance, social opportunities, and enhanced security are high on your list, a 55-plus community might be a perfect fit. However, if maintaining a connection to your past and having ample space for your belongings is more important, you might need to explore alternative options. Evaluate your financial situation. Consider your budget and the costs associated with both your current living situation and a 55-plus community. Downsizing may lower some expenses, but could introduce you to new fees that you'll need to account for. It's crucial to have a clear financial picture before making any moves. Think about your social network. A strong social network can make a big difference in how comfortable you feel in a new community. If you have friends or family nearby, or if you're excited about making new friends, the community aspect might be a significant draw. Plan for the transition. The process of downsizing can be overwhelming, so having a clear plan in place is essential. This might include organizing your belongings, planning the logistics of the move, and setting realistic timelines. Consider enlisting the help of professionals such as a real estate agent experienced in senior living transitions, a professional organizer, or even a financial advisor to help guide you through the process. Visit potential communities before making a final decision. Take the time to visit several 55-plus communities. Get a feel for the atmosphere, speak with residents, and ask plenty of questions about day-to-day living experience. These visits can provide valuable insights that help you determine whether the community aligns with your expectation, and downsizing to a 55-plus community offers a unique blend of freedom and support, a chance to simplify your life while enjoying the benefits of vibrant, like-minded community. While there are many clear advantages such as lower maintenance, enhanced social opportunities, and a tailored lifestyle, it's important to be mindful of the challenges as well. Limited space, strict community rules, and the emotional difficulty of letting go of the past are all factors need to be weighted carefully. By taking the time to assess your priorities, financial situation, and long-term goals, you can make a decision that truly enhances your quality of life. Remember, the goal of downsizing isn't simply to reduce square footage. It's to create a living environment that supports your well-being, fosters meaning and connections, and allows you to enjoy the freedom and security of a community built for your stage of life. Every transition comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. As you explore the new chapter, be gentle with yourself and open to the possibilities that lie ahead. Whether you choose to downsize now or keep your current home a little while, making an informed decision is the first step toward a fulfilling future. Take a moment to reflect on what matters to you most. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider jotting down your priorities and concerns. And don't hesitate to reach out to professionals who can offer personalized guidance. The journey of downsizing is as much about honoring your past as it is about embracing the opportunities of tomorrow. Every step you take brings you closer to a lifestyle that's perfectly suited to your needs, a place where you can live comfortably, connect with others, and truly enjoy your golden years. The decision to move into a 55-plus community is a significant one, and by carefully balancing the pros and cons, you can ensure that it's a step toward a more fulfilling and manageable future. The journey is personal, and while the road may seem daunting, remember that many have walked this path before you. Their experience can serve as a guide as you weigh your own options. Embrace the opportunity to start fresh and allow yourself the chance to thrive in an environment that's designed with your lifestyle in mind. Thank you for considering these insights on downsizing to a 55+ community. May your next chapter be filled with ease, connection, and the comfort of a home that truly supports your journey forward.